Today I'm going to share with you science spin. An idea that stuck. Years ago, a scientist invented Velcro. He got the idea from nature. One day, a scientist walked in the woods. He walked with his dog. The dog ran through plants. Then the scientist saw something. The dog had burrs stuck to its fur. Burrs are seeds. The burrs were hard to pull off. Why did they stick? Next, he looked up close. He looked with a microscope. The burr had hooks. The hooks held onto the dog's fur. Last, he had an idea. He could make something like that. He invented Velcro. One side has hooks like a burr. The other side is fuzzy like fur. Hook side, fuzzy side. Ways to use Velcro. Put a costume on your dog. Put a brace on your arm. Attach a boogie board to your wrist. And I'm going to share with you another book, I Have a Friend. I Have a Friend by Michaela Mantin, illustrated by Marsha Winborn. I have lots of friends. When we play hide and seek, I cover my eyes and all my friends hide. My friend Bird comes to visit me when I have a cold in my snuffle. He always makes me feel better. My friend Grover does funny things. He cheers me up when I feel sad. I have a friend who likes to count almost as much as I do. One friend and one friend make two. Ha ha ha. My old buddy Bird likes me, even when I make him look silly. I have a friend who will lend me whatever I need, even if it's brand new. I have a friend who pops up whenever I need him. I, Grover, have a friend who helps me try new things. Oh my goodness, it is not easy to be a skating star. My friend Ernie makes me feel brave even when he's scared too. I have two friends who invite me to stay for supper. I wish they didn't always serve bird seeds too. Friends are Yuchi. I tell them to go away and leave me alone. But I don't mind when they bring me a cake and wish me a rotten birthday. My friend and I like to share sodas at Mr. Hooper's store. My friend Barclay always meets me after school. He's very happy to see me. My friend Ernie is a good sport. He plays all my favorite games with me, and he doesn't even mind when I win. My friend Harry calls me every day. We have a lot to talk about. My friend Sully and I eat lunch together every day. I'm glad we're pals. My friends and I have lots of fun whenever we're together. Do you have good friends too? And I'm going to read another book, Boo to You by Lois Ehlert. That scary cat's back. Boy, what a bummer. Seeing that pass could spoil our summer. A raccoon or a squirrel might bite a veggie. But a cat loves meat. What that makes us edgy. We're having a harvest party tonight. Guess who's the creep we didn't invite? In the dark, these decorations sure look great. But we can't party yet. We have to wait. Then the house lights flick off. It's a spooky mood. Let's put on our masks and harvest some food. Just as we're about to dine, that cat peeks out from behind a vine. But we know exactly what to do. We'll scare that scary cat. Boo to you. Scat, scary cat, have some broccoli. There's no mouse on the menu at this party. Harvest colors. Thanks for watching.